what's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh.
Hi guys, hi. Welcome back to a brand new vloggy vlog with the sun. It's a Sunday, my phone. It's a Sunday and we are headed out. Well, we just got to CBD and we are going to Cape Town City Hall because there's a festival. What do you call this? What? It's Festival Switch Light.
Switch on lights.
Festival Switch on Lights. Just to say welcome to the festive season. And your girlie's brought her hair out to play and Una, look at you. And yeah. What did I want to say? I wanted the Nira Gasuga.
Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Always, forever, the light in the dark.
Let me be the first to tell you, Merry Christmas. Now, let's get the countdown, DJ. Let's get the countdown, Premier. Premier, I'm going to invite you up to this golden button. This button is going to switch on our Christmas lights. People in Adley Street, we want to hear you. People on Grand Parade, we want to hear you. Count down with us. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I want 'em all night. Say it. I want 'em all night. I want 'em all night. Say it. I want 'em all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay your bedside. see, Cupid, don't f with me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign? Oh.
Hi guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. It's a Thursday today, and as you can see, I'm still at work, but I think my Uber is almost outside. It's such a good day today. It's such a good day. It's the last day of the month, the 30th of November, and we are moving to a new place. So currently my boyfriend is at the place. He went to go do the last inspection and also collect our keys because yeah, he took a day off today, just so we can try and move out and all of that. So it made sense for him to also take a day off today because I mean he's also weekend off, so just try to get an extra day to rest before he gets to work, maybe like on a Sunday or something like that. So yeah, what I have to do now is I have to rush to our old apartment to go get the stuff with the people that are helping us move out, like Batwataka and all of that. And then I'm gonna go meet up with my boyfriend, but I'm not sure if he's gonna drive down back to come get me, and a few things that I feel like are a bit fragile to go into the truck, because you know how these people don't care about your stuff, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm trying to do this intro quickly because I don't think I'm gonna get time when I get there to show you guys everything. But I asked him to take a video for me just so I can put a clip and show you guys how our new apartment looks. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, guys. We've been looking to move out of this place for some time now because one, the area was safe, but no, it's not safe. They broke in twice, okay? And secondly, our landlord is also selling that apartment. So I thought, you know what, I think this is a cue for us to actually leave and get a place that will be comfortable for us and we feel more secure and safe as well, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, let's go, guys, let's go. And I'll catch you guys, I think, later when I knock off. I have to go back to work, so I'm going for my afternoon shift after all this, as tired as I am. But I mean, it has to happen, it has to happen. And then later when I knock off, I think he's gonna go pick me up at work so we can quickly go to the mall. We need a few things that we also need to buy for the new apartment. I'm so happy. I am genuinely excited. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys definitely enjoy this video, or rather this whole vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my content. And I see the channel is growing. I'm so happy. I'm truly grateful from the bottom of my heart, guys. Thank you so much for your continuous support, and to my returning subscribers, I know you guys continue watching my vlogs and your support does not go unnoticed, okay? So I love you guys from the top of my head to the bottom of my feet. What? Hey. Welcome home.
What?
Morning, guys. Morning. Ugh, I look tired. It's a what's today? Oh, it's a Friday, and we are at Macro. We came to look for a washing machine because we sold our old washing machine. Reason being, where we currently stay now, we can't use a top loader, right? And I think you guys know that our previous washing machine was a top loader, and we also struggled with that actually in the at our previous place. But luckily we had the landlord had already put a washing machine there, so our washing machine was just sitting and decorating the whole time. So now when we decided that now when we had to move, we decided that we want to sell it and get a proper washing machine. So yeah, we came to Macro. We had a bit of options yesterday. We saw options. Well, we didn't have options, but we saw options. Go game, but the prices were a bit of, especially after the whole movie. You get what I mean? But yeah, so there's one that we saw online, hoping that we'll get it in store. Really hoping that we will get it in store. I really love it. So yeah, let's go to Macro, and we also want to get a bit of groceries and a bit of alcohol. I mean, it's December. Good December. It's December. So yeah, guys, let's just go in. We are tired. We literally slept at 2 or 2:30 in the AMs. And yeah, it's definitely the pits. Okay, luckily I took a day off today, and my boyfriend has weekend off, so we'll get to rest. But yeah, guys, just wanted to fill you guys in. And yeah, I'll try to show you guys how the place, it's a bit of a mess. No, I don't think I'll do that. But once everything has been put together, you'll definitely see in the upcoming vlogs. And yeah, my hair is giving, my baby art is giving Zahara. So yeah, let's go. Guys, we told her I'm gonna do my hair, ne? So we just finished here at Macro. We literally spent about 2 hours, okay, trying to do groceries and stuff. And with this impatient man, I don't even know how I managed to survive that 2 hours, genuinely. Because one thing about my boyfriend, he does not enjoy shopping at all. And I think today was actually the worst, let me be honest. I don't know if he's too tired or what, but wow. So yeah, we finally got our washing machine. We got the washing machine, and we managed to do groceries, and we managed to buy everything else that we needed for today. So with that being said, I shall see you guys when we get home. Hello guys, we just got home. It's these bags. We forgot these bags. I wanted to take bags to shop, but wow, we ended up buying plastic. I hate buying plastics with everything in my soul. The sliding doors open, the cars outside are making a noise. So this is everything that we got from Macro, and our new washing machine. Okay. I honored what I had said, okay? Master is happy now. He's got his Hennessy. So I'm done. Are you happy now? Okay.
I never knew there was a love like this before.
Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Sunday. It's a Sunday, and we just woke up and trying to do laundry and get ready for tomorrow. Like, get our work stuff ready and all the other laundry that's just been laying around that we came with, actually, because we did laundry I think last week. I don't remember when, but obviously then we could not wash, because work and everything else in between. So I want to do laundry now and like tidy up the house a bit. It's not dirty, it's not anything. I tidied up the rest of the stuff that was left, like our clothes and everything, yesterday. So yeah. Okay guys, let me do laundry and then we want to go out to the butcher, because the only thing we didn't get on Friday when we did groceries was buy meat. We were too tired, man. We were too exhausted. And yesterday, obviously I was at work, my boyfriend was at a year-end function, so now we're gonna get ready and head out to the butcher and get some meat. And I think I think that will be about it, actually, for everything that we need, if I'm not mistaken. We've got everything else that we need in the house. So yeah, let me get my morning started. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are having yourselves a lovely, blessed weekend. And it's a festive season, okay? It's a festive season, guys. Try be safe as possible as you can. Yo, Jesus. One thing about us, we'll make this car a wardrobe, shoes, jackets, and everything. Okay. Alright, let's go home. So guys, as I was editing this clip, I realized that this doesn't have sound for some odd reason. I don't know why, but yes, I'm sorry about that. However, I was explaining that it's a Sunday afternoon and my boyfriend and I were headed out to go watch the sunset and look at the city lights switch on. It's a Sunday after all. We've done our reset for the week, and yeah, we've practically just had like a relaxed chilled Sunday indoors, had our Sunday lunch and everything. So we decided to just head out a bit for a breather and just go chill and watch the sunset and see the city lights go on. But I hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to like and comment down below if you have anything to say. Enjoy the rest of the vlog, guys.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever